Bollywood star kids who are dumb in real life. Ananya Pandey. While talking about her struggle in the industry, she said that her father never went to Karan Johar's show Coffee with Karan. Ananya Pandey's educational qualification is just 12th pass. She applied for college but never attended it. Janhvi Kapoor. During the launch of a magazine, Janhvi said that she could be a prime minister on day and people called her dumb for that. Janhvi has studied till 12th standard only and after that she joined acting school for the sake of joining Bollywood. Sara Ali Khan. People call this actress dumb when she told media that she never knew that her acting looked over in the movie Love Aajkal. Sara Ali Khan is very well educated and she completed her graduation from the Columbia University. Sonakshi Sinha. This star kid appeared in the show KBC and there she was failed to answer for whom Hanuman brought this Sanjeevani. Sonakshi Sinha studied till 12th standard and after that joined Fashion Designing Institute. Alia Bhatt. Well, she is called one of the dumbest star kid in the industry for not knowing who was the President of India. This Bollywood actress studied till 12th standard and after that she started preparing for her grand Bollywood debut. Ranbir Kapoor. This actor was trolled badly for his comment that it was Oscar's loss for not giving award to his film Barfi. Ranbir Kapoor studied till 12th standard and after that he joined Lee Strasberg's Theatre and Film Institute to learn acting. Varun Dhawan. Varun was called dumb when this star kid compared his movie Dilwale with Christopher Nolan's movie Inception. Varun Dhawan is highly educated as he has completed his studies of business management from Nottingham Trent University. Sonam Kapoor. This actress is one of the dumbest actresses in industry. She called Aishwarya as auntie because Ash worked with her father. She is graduate from the University of London in Economics and Political Science. Kareena Kapoor Khan. One of the dumbest comments that Kareena made was that she respects the First Lady Sonia Gandhi and she got trolled badly. Kareena Kapoor was never interested into academics and she is a college dropout. Abhishek Bachchan. This actor once said that Dhoom series was all about him and Uday Chopra and without them the film would not work. He graduated from Eglon College in Switzerland and later attended Boston University but dropped out from there. Sanjay Dutt. This actor said that the female family members of his family would never work in the film industry as he won't let them. Sanjay Dutt is a school dropout. Because of his addiction towards drugs, he had to leave his school. Vivek Oberoi. This star kid was heavily trolled when Vivek said that his performance as Carl in Krish 3 was compared with Heath Ledger's as Joker. This actor is a graduate from the Mayo College of Ajmer, Rajasthan. He also has master's degree in acting. Pratik Babbar. Raj Babbar's son Pratik was once asked about the annual budget of India and then he asked what budget was. Pratik is a graduate. He completed his graduation in arts. Uday Chopra. The star kid said that he did not like to be a Capricorn and wanted to be a Scorpio, so he changed his birthday from 5th January to 5th November. Uday Chopra is a graduate from University of Los Angeles, California. Share your thoughts about dumb comments of these star kids and their educational qualification in the comment section and subscribe our channel.